Okay, this video is about how to uninstall Acronis tree image when you can't uninstall traditional methods. So when you go into add and remove programs, you will see that Acronis is not on the list, even though I just installed it recently. What you can do is open up your browser and go to the URL. I'll put a link on in the description. If you can't read the description, that is the website. So go to that website and they actually have a program for it, a cleanup tool. Download and run that. Number 2, to uninstall. Yes, to uninstall. As you can see, it's doing its job. Yes. You want to remove extended capacity disks? I have no idea. I'm gonna say no and reboot. And let's see if the icon has disappeared. And as you can see, we don't have the Acronis icon anymore. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.